This is Lauren making a cup of tea. Tea bag in, and then all that milk. just a good meme. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video is pretty much non-car related, apart from we drove a car up here. It's actually helicopter related. A little while ago, my nan, shout out Nan, big up my nan. That was big up Nan. Big up Nan! She actually bought me a helicopter ride actually a while ago. I think it was for my birthday, and we've literally only just, well, we booked it a while ago, but this is the only time we could get in. We actually come all the way as well to Essex, so we thought we'll drive down and fly over Essex, see what it's like. I'm gonna film it for you guys. This is pretty much just kind of a talking, kind of a fun little video. It's just, I know that obviously a lot of my videos on my channel are car based, but seeing as though it's my channel and it's my kind of POV, that's the whole reason I started this channel, was to show you guys more kind of into my life. No, we've got loads. That's staying in the video. More into my kind of life and what I do and stuff, and where we started, where we come from. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Like I said before, it's a little bit different, but it's good. Different's good, change is good, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a good time. Hope you guys do enjoy this as well. If you are interested as well, I'll leave all the information, like I do every video. If I do something, I'll leave all the information in the description below, so you guys can check it out. There's all the places that you can actually go, just there. Move your hand, it's like 1 second.
Nice.
I've asked them to see if I can fly it, but I said probably not. In a bit of a turn of events, the people that I was on the flight with have not turned up, so we actually give an option to go and buy the other seat. So Lauren's coming on, Holly's coming on. Lauren's very scared. Look. She's adamant as well, she's going to be sick, so
Lauren,
it should make an entertaining video. There it is. Can't even see it on the... Yeah. There she is, our ride. Are you excited? No. I'm very excited. Hey. Thank you. Leicester. Yeah. I know, we had 2 hours. This is such a good thing. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's cabin.
It's just in circulation.
That's exactly what it is. It's the same stuff. It just changes stalls. It's people selling something like this.
Oh my god. Thank you very much.
You're not with them, girls.
They're my sister and my missus.
You what? What's going on? Actually, it's my full of
I'll just give you this.
Oh, no problem at all. Take care, buddy.
And you, thank you.
Thanks for there, mate. Have a good day.
And you. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Make sure I've not lost anything. Oh my god. That is such a weird feeling. That is so cool. Honestly, that is so cool.
Yeah, it will vibrate.
Yeah, it does.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was better than what I expected.
Oh. Bye. So guys, we are here. We're now at Essex. This is kind of like the talking part of the video, so if you don't want to watch this, yeah, just switch off now. But if you are interested kind of what's gonna happen in the videos, like kind of over Christmas, stay for this if you are interested. I just wanted to say as well, a huge shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. You guys are legends. I cannot express more how proud I am for what we've done and how far we've come, and the growth as well is just insane. Cannot thank you guys enough for that. But just wanted to say as well, we have got so many things as well planned for Christmas, doing like loads of car reviews. Hopefully as well, going to do bits and bobs to my car, which is going to be fun because like I said earlier, I've got no idea what I'm doing with the car. I've got a car event as well next week, Ultimate Stance, that's going to be held at Telford. Now I've got a load of people as well that I'm friends with that are going to be going. It's going to be such a laugh, like it's just going to be me malicious. I can't say that. But yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy that video. I'm going to enjoy that day so much. It's going to be such a laugh. Hopefully as well, it is really good weather on the day. We're hoping for good weather. Now it's a lot later on in the year. It's just England, if you live here, you probably do. It's not the best at all. Oh my god, I've just seen this sign. No smoking or vaping. Oh my god. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I really enjoyed it. It was such a weird feeling as well. Like, what did you think about it? You were like dead scared at the start. It was good, wasn't it? Shout out to Lauren as well for literally unpacking everything, because I hate unpacking and packing. It bores the hell out of me. So Lauren's going to do that. I think we're just going to go and have some fun as well in Essex. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Josh, and that was my POV. Peace out, guys.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no.